Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients. Today you and I together will be making you a fabulous snack called roasted nuts. We're going to season them and then roast them in the oven. Here's what you will need. I'm using pecans, but you could use any nut or you can mix them all together. It's delicious either way. We're using maple sugar. Maple syrup can be substituted here. We're using grass-fed butter, some rosemary. I have fresh. Also, if you didn't have fresh, you could use half the amount in the dried form, and some cayenne pepper, just a pinch for some heat. A little pinch of Himalayan salt. And what we're going to do is, I've melted the butter, added all of the dry ingredients here. I'm going to pour it over top of my pecans. This is a great snack to put out when you're expecting company. And I'll tell you what, there are none left. So if you want a secret stash, you better pull them off the tray before your guests arrive. We spread them on the cookie sheet. And this will all kind of caramelize and bake together. It's a very small amount, but we could do a little bit more. And just like that, you've got an awesome snack.